Welcome, friends. Every successful life starts in the morning, not with luck, not with talent, but with habits. Most people wake up every day in the same way, late, tired, confused, and then they wonder why their life does not change. The truth is simple. If you want a better life, you need better mornings. Today, we are talking about 8 morning habits. These habits slowly change your thinking, and when thinking changes, life changes. The first habit is waking up with intention. Successful people do not wake up by accident. They decide when to wake up. They do not press the snooze button again and again. They do not argue with the alarm. When you wake up late, you start the day already losing. When you wake up on time, you feel control. Waking up early is not about the clock. It is about discipline. You do not need to wake up very early. You only need to wake up earlier than yesterday. One small improvement every morning creates big results in life. The second habit is not touching the phone first. Most people give their mind to the phone as soon as they wake up. Messages, notifications, social media, other people's problems, other people's lives. Successful people protect their mind in the morning. They understand that the first 30 minutes of the day are powerful. If you start your day reacting, you will stay distracted all day. When you avoid your phone in the morning, you give your mind space to breathe. Your phone can wait. Your future cannot. The third habit is moving your body. You do not need a gym. You do not need heavy exercise. You only need movement. A short walk, stretching, simple body movement. When your body moves, your brain wakes up. Your energy increases. Your focus improves. Energy comes before motivation, not after. A lazy body creates a lazy mind. An active body creates confidence. Successful people treat their body as a tool for success. The fourth habit is spending time in silence. Silence feels uncomfortable for many people, because in silence you hear your thoughts. But silence is powerful. Successful people take a few minutes to sit quietly. They breathe deeply, they pray, they think. This is not wasting time. This is training the mind. A calm mind makes better decisions. A peaceful mind handles stress easily. Even 5 minutes of silence can change the mood of the whole day. It gives you clarity. It gives you strength. It gives you control. The fifth habit is deciding one important task. Successful people do not try to do everything. They focus on one thing that truly matters. Every morning, they ask themselves one simple question. What is the one thing I must do today to move my life forward? Not 10 tasks, not a long list. One clear priority. When you finish that one task, the day feels successful. Clarity removes confusion, and clarity removes procrastination. It also gives energy to complete other small tasks. The sixth habit is feeding the mind. Your mind needs food just like your body. Successful people feed their mind with positive and useful things before the world feeds it stress and negativity. They read a few pages. They listen to something inspiring. They learn something new. What you consume in the morning becomes your mindset for the day. If you feed your mind fear, you will act small. If you feed your mind growth, you will think bigger. And if you are learning something useful from this video, subscribe to the channel because learning daily habits can change your life. The seventh habit is practicing gratitude. Gratitude is not weakness, it is strength. Successful people are grateful even when life is hard, because gratitude keeps them balanced. When you are grateful, you complain less. When you complain less, you focus more. Every morning, successful people think about what they already have: health, time, opportunity, family, skills, strength. A grateful mind is calm. A calm mind is powerful. It helps you handle stress. It helps you stay consistent. The eighth habit is choosing discipline over motivation. Motivation is temporary. Some days it is there, some days it is not. Discipline stays. Successful people act even when they do not feel like it. They show up tired. They show up bored. They show up anyway. Because consistency is more powerful than intensity. One disciplined morning every day is stronger than one perfect morning once a year. Life does not change in one big moment. It changes through small daily actions. Small steps repeated daily create massive results. Your morning is not just the start of your day, it's the direction of your life. If you control your morning, you slowly control your habits. Your habits shape your actions. Your actions shape your results. Your results shape your future. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to be consistent. You only need to start. Start tomorrow. Start simple. Start showing up. Because success is not waiting for you in the future. It is being built every single morning. It is built through small, consistent, disciplined actions. It is built by controlling your mind, your body, and your choices every single day. Your mornings are the gateway to your life. Your habits decide your growth. Your discipline decides your freedom. Your action decides your success. Every successful person in the world has one thing in common. They started their mornings differently. They followed habits that made them stronger, smarter, and more confident. Now it is your turn. Choose your mornings. Choose your habits. Choose your life. Success does not come by waiting. It comes by showing up every day. It comes by building your future one morning at a time. Wake up with intention. Protect your mind. Move your body. Spend time in silence. Decide your one priority. Feed your mind. Practice gratitude. Choose discipline. Do these 8 habits consistently and watch your life transform. Every morning is an opportunity. Every habit is a step forward. Every decision is a choice for success. Start now. Your mornings are your power. Your habits are your future. Your life is waiting for you to take control.